Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see what are we going to do today. We will learn about the days of the week and we will also learn to spell the days of the week and we will write the days of the week in correct sequence. Do you know there are 7 days in a week? Let's learn their names.
Here is a fun song to help you learn the days of the week. Mother Hen is going to sing it for us. Let's listen.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Now, repeat after Mother Hen. Here we go.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Great job! Now, let's sing it quietly.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Well done! Now, let's try it really loud.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Fantastic! Now, let's sing it really fast.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
The first day of the week is Monday. Let's spell Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Now, what comes after Monday? Tuesday. Very good. Now, let's spell Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. What comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Very good. Now, let's spell Wednesday together. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. What comes after Wednesday? Thursday. Very good. Now, let's spell Thursday together. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. What comes after Thursday? Friday. Let's spell Friday together. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. What comes after Friday? Saturday. Very good. Now let's spell Saturday together. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Now, what comes after Saturday? Yes, Sunday. Sunday is the fun day. Okay, now let's spell Sunday together. Sunday. Sunday. Well done, everyone. What is the first day of the week? Yes, Monday. Now, you need to practice writing the spelling of Monday on your green board. Choose the correct letters given below and complete the spelling of Monday and show it to your teacher. What comes after Monday? Yes, Tuesday. Now, choose the correct letters given below and complete the spellings of Tuesday on the green board and show it to your teacher. Which day comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Very good. Now, choose the correct letters given below and complete the spellings of Wednesday on the green board and show it to your teacher. After Wednesday, which day comes? Yes, Thursday. Now, choose the correct letters to complete the word Thursday on the green board and show it to your teacher. Which day comes after Thursday? Yes, Friday. Now, choose the correct letters to complete the spelling of Friday on the green board and show it to your teacher. Which day comes after Friday? Yes, Saturday. Now, complete the spelling of Saturday and show it to your teacher. And the last day of the week is Sunday. Very good. Now, complete the spelling of Sunday and show it to your teacher. Okay, dear students, this is your day 1 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. You need to write Monday on page 16 and Tuesday on page 24 and learn their spellings as well. This is your day 2 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. You need to write Wednesday on page 30 and Thursday on page 33 and learn their spellings as well. This is your day 3 task. You need to write the spelling of Friday on page 36, Saturday on page 41 and Sunday on page 44 and learn their spellings. Best of luck, everyone. This is your day 4 task. This task should be done in your notebook. You need to write days of the week in correct sequence. So let's see, what have we learned today? We have learned the names of the days of the week in correct sequence. Let's recall the names of the days of the week together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Well done, everyone. Now, let's sing the rhyme together.